AES Wave has sent me this uScope here, and let's take a look and see what's inside. So it comes with the quick start guide, comes with this nice packet, and this has my secondary ignition. It has the clamp that goes specifically for a coil wire. And let's open this up. So it comes with the coil wire adapter, and that simply plugs into the end of the cable like this. And it comes with the coil on plug adapter, which is this one right here. And then here's the fly swatter end right there. And we can pull that off, and there's a protective end so you don't poke yourself. And then this simply goes on the end here, and there's two sides. There's the grid side, this side to coil. There's also a copper side, so you can actually use either side, even though it says this side to coil. And then there was the instructions for the secondary ignition universal probe. Additionally, it came with all these accessories. So this is your standard cable right here with your positive and your ground leads. It came with your AC filter and also your primary or your 10-to-1 attenuator. So there's your AC filter right there. And then here's your 10-to-1 primary attenuator. Two alligator clips. Two probes. And then you also get two back probes. We have 3 spare pins right here for my back probes. And you can get more from AES Wave if needed. It will come with your interface cable. This is for charging, as well as your PC connection. This is for the signal generator, so if you want to use a signal generator to generate a square wave or a test pattern. The uScope itself came in its own little protective white box. I have taken it out of the box. It also came with this nice orange silicone protective sleeve. And this is very nicely cut. It fits nicely onto your uScope, and it gives you access to all the ports and buttons that you need access to. So on the bottom, we're looking at the memory card slot. Over on the side, we got our cable connection. We have our USB connection. This is for charging the battery, as well as PC connection and your signal generator out. Over on the other side, we have our on-off switch, and on the top, we've got our A and B buttons. We do have a BNC to uScope adapter. I don't know the official name for this type of connector here. That is because we get a amp clamp right here. And so this is an AES Wave amp clamp. This gives me the 60 amps or the 20 amps. And it is battery powered. There's a battery here, but the end of this is a BNC. So you will get this adapter that goes from a male BNC, and that allows us to connect to the uScope adapter here. And then this one would be if you had any other probes that were standard banana jacks that you need to connect to your uScope. And you get this instruction manual for the amp clamp, and there is a more intensive manual for your uScope online that can be easily downloaded for the usage, or you can check my channel for other ways to use your uScope.